Ndawo eziningi zeJagersfontein izigubuzeswe mbala ogrey. Ngezinye indlela khambeki ngenxa yetlipitlipi yedaka ngemva kokuthuthumba kwedamu. Phazamisekile ukufunda nokufundisa. Imindeni enganazo indawo zokuhlaliswe esondweni lendawo. ANC ithi isihlakalo esizongezelela phezulu komtlhago bevele ukhona kule ndawo. Ihlangano lebe yakhumbula nesihlakalo esifana nalesi esenzeka eVirginia ngo-1994. Esihlakalo neso idamu lemayini nalo ladabuka lahuhula indawo yeMaritzburg. Sekuvele isiphakamiso sokuthi inkampani zemayini aziqinise ihlangothi lezokuphepha.
We are a bit concerned about the conditions and the safety of the people as a result of a production that is not assuring safety of the community. We need to send our heartfelt condolences to the families affected.
Ikampani Abanikazi bemayini iJagersfontein Development ithi isathukiwe nanje. Ikampani le ithi ibekele ngeqadi imali ngange-20 million yamaranda ukusiza imndeni eyonakelelweko. Iinhlangano zepolotiki EFF isole urhulumende ngokuba zindanda kubukwa.
Has been operational up until yesterday. These are the results of the very same mine here. It's so unfortunate that politicians are here but not here to assist people. They are here for their business interests, including the president of this country.
We also want to know what the reasons were for this, because when one has disasters of this nature, there should have been some sort of pre-warning that the authorities should have taken into account to evacuate people in the areas that were in danger.
Umtheneza amalungelo obuntu seyithumele isiqhema esiyokuhlola ubujamo.
Nakusenjalo uthe yabona uzwakala umkhosi ovele eJagersfontein ngomonakalo wenzekileko, umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa waqalisa inyawo khona ayokuhlola ubungako bomonakalo obangwe ukuthuthumba kwedamu lemayini.
Dumela Kere dumela.
Umengameli uRamaphosa yokubamba umhlangano nengikhulu zomnyango wesifundisi hlangana nabundunakulu wesifundo uSisintombela. Kuzathi ngemva kwalapha abangomhlangano nezakhamuzi zendawo le edrobheni leFort Smith. Itlipitlipi yedaka ephume kuleli damu igirizi izidle ezimbalwa kanti akukhambeki kezinye indlela. Izakhamuzi ezibethekileko namhlanje bezibuthi ipahle sesenobhadekelo. Ramaphosa uthi urhulumende uqothela ukufumana insombululo zenjijilo abantu abaqalene nazo ezifaka umtlhago, ukungalingani nokuhlogeka komsebenzi, ukuqinisekisa bona izakhamuzi zifumana amalungelo okungiwa khona kumthetho sisekelo wenarha. Umengameli ukhulumise nendaba karhulumende yokusiza ngemali yefundo ukuthoma ekulisa ukufikela labasekela labo basenkolweni zamabanga phezulu. Umengameli uveze bona ihlelo likarhulumende lokukhupha isibonelelo namahlelo karhulumende okuqatshwa kwabantu abaningi zimbonelo zemizamo karhulumende zokubuyisa isithunzi ebantwini. Nakakhumbula umlayezo kaSteve Biko Ramaphosa uyelelisa abantu bona kube ngibo abazichaphululako ukufumana ubuntu ekungibo.